We ended the last video discussing hyperlinks and hypertext. In this video, we will look at the language that these are part of and how that makes the web work. We'll also look at how to understand a web address. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is a special formatting for web documents allowing the combination of text, images, links to other pages, and other media. Hyperlinks and hypertext are coded through the use of HTML. What you see here is the HTML code for the Lake Sumter State College webpage. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a language used in combination with HTML to create the look and format of a web page. The combination of HTML and CSS helps to create the great variety of pages you see on the web. On your computer, you use a web browser, which is a program that allows you to view web pages. Web browsers take the HTML and CSS code and put them into a presentable format. Popular web browsers are Safari, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, and Internet Explorer. The web browser makes a request to the server for information. The HTML, CSS code, images, and other parts of the web page are transferred to your computer and then put together into a viewable format in the web browser. There are two ways you can use to find a web page. You can use a search engine such as Google or Bing, or you could access a web page by typing in its URL into the web browser. The URL is the address of the web page. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. There are three parts to the URL: the protocol, the domain name, and the path. Now, let's look at a web URL to see how the parts can help you understand more about the web page itself. Here is the Lake Sumter State College website URL. Let's use this as an example. The protocol is a set of rules for how files and other information are transferred between computers. For web pages, HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is used. In the Lake Sumter State College website address, the HTTP : and 2 forward slashes is the protocol. The domain name contains vital information about the page. It directs the user to a specific website, and in simplest terms, the domain name is the address of the computer hosting the page. For the Lake Sumter State College website, www.lssc.edu is the domain name. The path is the portion of the web address after the domain name. It's the address for the specific page within a website. For the Lake Sumter State College website, pages/default.aspx is the path to the homepage for the college on the Lake Sumter web server. The most important part of a web address is the domain extension, which is the last part of the domain name. The domain extension helps you understand the type of web page you're looking at. We'll discuss domain extensions more in the third video in this unit. Some common domain extensions are .com for commercial businesses, .org for nonprofit organizations, .gov for government agencies, .edu for educational institutions, .mil for military websites, .net for network organizations. You'll learn more about these in the next video. Now, complete the activity for this video, and then continue on to the What is the Internet Part 3 video.